You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Loosen the rear wheel's lug nuts. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. In order to change the rear ABS sensor on your vehicle, you will need to take off the wheels to have full access. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the ABS sensor's retaining bolt. Finish unscrewing the cap by hand. Then, remove the sensor by jiggling it back and forth. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Then, unclip all the retaining clips holding the ABS sensor cable onto the brake hose. Using a fork, unclip the ABS sensor cable retaining clip located on the chassis. Once the cable has been completely unclipped, remove the ABS sensor cable connector from its support. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab using a flathead screwdriver and pulling on the connector. You can now remove the cable. You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new cable. Slide it into its housing. Reconnect the connector. Then, lock it. Reclip the connector onto its support. Reclip the cable back onto the support. Then, reclip all of the ABS sensor cable retaining clips. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Before installing the new sensor, we recommend that you thoroughly clean its location using a wire brush. Insert the sensor into its housing. Then, retighten the retaining bolt. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.